All right, guys, a quick video on what I've been trading and what the plans are for the next few weeks. Before I start, let me do disclosures really fast, and then I'll be going through what I've been doing, basically what I told you I would do, and I'll go through the trades that I've done. So just remember that this video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk. Only invest the amount of money you can afford to lose and invest at your own risk. The value of investments can and the income derived from them can go down as well as up. Future returns are not guaranteed and loss of principal may occur. The information contained here is not intended to be used as a sole basis for investment decision. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell of any securities. All right, so like I said, my plan was to dabble a little bit into penny stocks, maybe day trading, you call it, short-term trading, which I fully disclose to you guys that is not real investing, it's just playing around. So I did a couple of those, and then also the 500 shares that I sold in SPXL at $98.12. Now it's pulled down to the mid 80s, so I kept buying those back. I bought 100 at about $86 a share of SPXL, and I bought another 100 at 84, so I'm $84 a share. So I'm waiting at 82 and 80. If it pulls back that low, then I'll buy some more. Also, I mentioned to you guys that I was looking to sell my hedge in the VIX. Once the VIX hits 20, it never got there. It hit 19, but it never got to 20. So I haven't sold any just yet. So I keep waiting. If it pulls back, then I'll probably sell some of those or all of them, the hedge in the VIX, which is in shares in UVXY and UVIX. And now as far as, so let me show you guys my positions. As far as day trading, I bought in FTCH. I bought, I'm in around $3 a share, and as you can see, I'll show you in a minute, it's $2.94 right now. So if it pulls back lower, I'll buy some more. I think my lower buy was $2.74, and it's at $2.94 right now. So I'm pretty much at my average cost on that one. So I'm waiting it to maybe get a bounce. Warren Buffett used to call those cigarette butt stocks because they have one more puff in them. They're bad companies, but they have one more puff in them. So that's what I'm looking at. So I invested in that, and WE, that's the one in the last video I showed that I made about $500. I bought that again, and I'm a little bit down on that. Same thing, I'm waiting for a bounce on that. Once it bounces, I'll make a few $100s, and I'll cash out. So I own those two, and then pretty much all the other ones that I owned before. I expected this pullback in the market to happen September, October, but it happened in August. And so my guess is we'll probably start bouncing. Now, I don't know what the market is going to be tomorrow, but I imagine soon, in the next few weeks, we'll start bouncing up again, or at the latest, mid-October, we'll probably bounce into the end of the year. So anyway, let me show you what the position that I own right now, and then, like I said, a lot of those are the ones that I already owned before. So here it is. Okay, see the penny stock on top. Then I still own the same amount in Lyft, the same amount in Tesla, and then the WE work penny stock also. Waiting for a bounce on those two. And if somehow they don't, and I have very small amount of capital in them, less than 0.5% of my portfolio. So I understand the risk that may go to zero, and I'm willing to take that risk. Then as far as hedging UVIX on the bottom, and SPXL, as you can see, I'm back up to 2,800 shares because I've been buying on the way down. And if it pulls back lower, I'll buy some more. And here's the bottom of my portfolio, the SPXL, as I mentioned, the UVXY, the same amount, and TQQQ. TQQQ, I bought 200 shares, but I believe that was before the last video. So anyway, that's what I am doing. So the game plan is keep buying SPXL if it comes down. I'll probably even buy some more TQQQ if it comes down a little bit more, and then sell out of my hedge in UVIX and UVXY if the VIX hits at least 20. Okay, that's what I've been doing, and that's my game plan. And so far, so good this year. Like I said, August pulled that down. I believe I'm probably up about 25% right now, 25%. On a pullback, that's not bad. It's still close to $100,000. And but I do expect we'll get a bounce, if not in the next few weeks, definitely into the end of the year. Thank you, guys. Happy investing, and have a great week. Thank you.